Oh yeah. What's up guys, welcome back to Redbird Auto. I suppose it said Red Tube Auto. Today I'm going to try something a little bit different here. I'm going to do a clutch bleed today, but I've never done one on an LS1 car before, and I'm going to try it out. We're going to see what happens. I got a good tip from a guy on YouTube. I can't remember what his name was, but I'll find it later. We're going to use one of these. Boom. And we're going to use one of these. Boom. So I'm going to try to do it from the top without getting underneath the car, which would save me so much time, and then I could race on Friday and then we'd be good to go. I don't know what I'm doing because it's black, it's bad, and my clutch sticks going into fourth gear and it's not good. So we're going to change it and hopefully we'll screw things up. Okay, so I got one of these stupid self one-man brake bleeding deals, which tend not to work. But I want the tubes and these fittings in there. From what I've seen, you can use that and shove it down into the hole and suck out all the juice and put new juice back in, and boom, away we go. Oh, I need two hands for this. And that's the good stuff there. Oh crap. That's not gonna work. Well, no big deal. So I want to use this thing to suck it out of there. So I don't really want to put my mouth on the end, because that's brake fluid in there and that's not good to get in your mouth. I'm gonna make this little end to shove it down into the reservoir, and then I'm gonna suck it out through this little elbow that went into the bottle, and with the attachment of this, I can suck it out. But this tube is a little too big, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little silicone on the middle there and call it good. I should call this MacGyver's channel on how not to do things. Didn't have any silicone, so what I did was I wrapped up some tape right here just to make the line bigger, and then I shoved it in the other line, and it was good. Oh yeah, that's the stuff, baby. Oh yeah! Okay, now I should be able to shove this in here. And let's go test it. Here is our culprit. So check it out. Oh. Check out this black thing here. Look it in there. Ooh. Is it gonna work? I don't know. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Oh snap, look at that shit. I'm actually a genius. Look how dirty that fluid is. That's so gross. I'm sorry, car. I'm way in there. There's like this little hole. I'm just sucking it out. And I just want to put new brake fluid in there because this stuff was kind of gross. Otherwise I would just like bleed out the air. But so now I'm going to clean out the inside and then we'll try it out. All right, much better. So what I'm doing here is I'm putting this stuff into the new stuff so I can swap it out and everything will be okay. And here we go. Oh yeah. It's coming back kind of dirty, so I think it's flushing out the lines a little bit. So I'm just doing it over and over again until it comes back clean. And it should be good. So check it out. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. That's the good S right there.
Excellent.
I put clean fluid in, go pump the clutch 30-40 times, suck it out, repeat, and yeah, it should be okay. We'll go out and take a rip and see if she hauls. Let's go test it out. amount of tension on it, which is good. I've never done this before, so really I don't know what's gonna happen here. I'm not sure if you should bleed it and do what I did, but like, I'm lazy. I don't feel like doing it. Oh yeah. Listen to her just burn. Oh, and there's cops right there. We're gonna go into quiet mode here. Just hush up a little bit. I don't know if you can see them in the background there, but they're there. All right, here we go. But we're gonna wait until all these cars empty out into here, because we are gonna hammer on it. Okay, ready? Perfect. Seems as though it worked okay, so. Oh my god, these lights. These are bad today.
One eternity later.
Finally. Okay, well, we're almost back home here. Did a couple good first, second, third, fourth, and even into like a hard shift into fifth, and it did fine. There was no sticking. There might have been a little bit of sticking from fourth going into fifth. I'm not too sure, but like, it's hard to tell unless I'm really, really giving her. And you know, at that point, you're going so fast, you're gonna go to jail or whatever, right? Not in the city anyway. Maybe we'll see if it's a nice day on Friday. I'm gonna take it to the track, see if I can lay down some times. Completely stock, it cut a 13.5 on well, stock. It had a air lid and some Nito NTO 5R street radials, but I had trouble getting out of the gate, and that's another video for another time. The clutch seems to be working. Shout out to Shaboy on YouTube there, who was doing the suck out thingy. That worked pretty well. Unless it doesn't work at the track, then frig you, Rick. That's it. Redbird Auto. Tune in next time. Peace. GoPro, stop recording.